Welcome, everybody. Please make sure you read this disclaimer. Most importantly, CFTC Rule 4.41, and pause it if you have to. Welcome, everybody, to Trend Following Trades, AMA2, with the company CT2 charts. What I'm showing you here in the past few days, just starting to get in the hang of it, instead of always showing you static entries and charts, showing you trying to trade on one computer and come here on our client support computer and at least get a $1,000 day in. Some days we'll have losers too of 1,000 with a 3 lot and a $10 tick market, or a 6 lot and a $5 tick market.
Order pending. Order filled.
So we're basically going to follow the same trade plan that's posted on the website. We will take some method entries though, especially if I can't catch the entries that I'd like to catch because I'm late. I'll just cut the target short a bit. I don't see it being a big detriment in stopping us from getting to that $1,000 a day target before hitting a $1,000 a day loss. So we'll see. I'll post the losers twos the days that I can. If it's a real fast day or a real slow day, I won't even bother. I'm just going to focus on my own trading.
NG trade button setup.
Order pending.
Okay, there's a left click on the order flow button, or we call our strategy trade button. It puts two orders in, one at method, one at support or resistance, whichever gets filled first. These happen to be far away, usually they're closer together, but it'll fill, use the ATM that's pending, and it'll cancel out the other side of this OCO order.
EMD trade button setup.
It's one way to guarantee a fill in the setup, not always trying to get the best price fill, but just ensuring that you get a fill. You may have to keep your stop a little bigger, sometimes more than 2 bricks in this case. We are also using DDWR, Daily Dynamic Wick Renko. This allows us to keep in sync with volatility and range every day. So if there's we're in a fairly decent amount of volatility with range. It's April 4th,
Order
2017.
pending. Order filled.
And DWR has been doing very, very well on pretty much all instruments, especially the indices. So we just got short gold. Have a 2 brick stop and about a 1.8 or 9 brick target on the first 2/3. And then we'll just trail out the last third, or try to get off at major support. That area down there is near major support. You can see the green dot. There we go. The system automatically picks up where near left side support is, real support. So we'll try to get off just above it. And you can see the AMA. Green on the lower right hand side means long, red means short, white means order pending. The orange means that you're in the red box means you're short, orange means you're in profit. So you can see in the P&L section underneath the instrument how much profit you're in.
Target filled.
Okay. Anytime you click on that orange button, it'll move your stop to break even. So it looks like we targeted our first 2 contracts on gold. So now we're going to pull down our stop as gold proceeds downward, just to lock in profit on our trailers. So we're either going to get taken out or get stopped out if the price goes down and takes out that target down there. At the end of this recording, there'll be 2 static charts. If only gold and YM, wherever the trade's taken, we'll mark the trades up and show the static charts at the end of this recording. So you can pause and take a look at them. They'll be marked up. The prior 2 recordings aren't as good as this one. I'm going to keep the audio completely off, except for the system audio that tells you the setups that are coming up. So this way it gives you an idea of how it works, the setups that you see. Again, I'm not actually trading on this computer. I am taking these trades that you see here on this computer. This is not my trading computer, however, so I'm actually trading on another computer, coming back here and doing this in sim. So it's if I mess it up or whatever, I don't have to worry about.
Target filled.
There we go. So we got our gold out. So we're up a decent amount just on one trade in gold, one 3-lot trade. I was saying I take trades on another computer, and this is a client support computer, so I'm trying to do this for the benefit of everybody to recognize and see the confidence you should have
Order canceled.
in a lot of these setups, and the training should keep you out of a lot of the setups too. You can color the backgrounds according to market structure, higher highs, higher lows, things like that with the swing dots. All I gotta do is turn it on. In the bottom, you see the yellows chop, and when we transition from buy to sell and sell to buy, it generally turns yellow. We just don't want it to stay yellow. We plot our divergence outside in and inside out. And again, this is one 1080p monitor. We can resize the AMA2 to be a full screen and the charts be a full screen. So this works best with two monitors. The AMA2 is full size on one monitor. So the little screen captures that you see are active charts. They'd be much bigger. You almost don't need the charts, but then you can have a second monitor with full size charts. And all you got to do is click up and down the left side, two monitors, you have 12 charts or more. So great use of real estate. This way we're not forced to trade in a way that we don't want to trade in a market that we look at all the time. We just look for a setup in any market. We trade the setup, not the market. Futures are futures.
Target filled.
Okay, there we go. We had a break-even move in the ATM. Now what I'm looking to do is if I add both my open P&L and my closed P&L on the lower left-hand side, I'm over $1,000. I hit close, boom, I'm out at over $1,000. Or if I drag my open position down in this one into an area right there, I'll be out over $1,000 and I'll be
Target
done.
filled.
10 minutes of trading and done for the day. Total P&L there's the two markets on the lower left-hand sides, the total for the bottom. There's a static chart for the YM, the text, the comments on where I got in. White dots are entries, blue squares are exits. And here you go again, same thing. Dots, white dots are entries, blue squares are exits. Lime arrow is winner, violet small winner, and aqua is break even. Thank you very much and have a nice day.